So today I am filming this quick little get ready with me / makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day, because as you guys all know, Valentine's Day is coming and those that are going on dates need inspiration and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like.
About 2 months ago, I shot my shot and you ignored. Now Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at.
So I went on to do my brows off camera. So I'm setting the concealer that I placed on my lid with some benign banana powder, and I'm using this brown shade from my BH Cosmetics 120 palette, and I'm blending with my big blending brush. Into my Juvia's Place Zoo palette and taking the brown shade, using an angled brush to put that right in my crease and blend it out with my big fluffy brush. To be using Cool Tan concealer to kind of cut my crease out to make my eyeshadow color pop even more. And basically you guys are just going to see me kind of go through. I'm not really making a very defined cut crease, it's just to make my color pop basically. So I'm just taking this brown, really dark brown shade from this random eyeshadow palette I got in Nigeria, and I'm putting it to deepen my crease and at the outer parts of my eye. So for my lid color, I went into my BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the lightest pinkish shade on my lid. I'm just going to pack that on there until I'm comfortable and I like how the color looks, and I'm going to blend it out a bit with the brown that is in my outer eye area and just make it look good. To do my eyeliner off camera, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl primer on my face, and I'm using the Maybelline foundation in the shade Coconut all over my face, and I'm just going to use my blending sponge and blend that in. So guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but I just changed my concealer. I no longer use Cool Tan, I use Fawn on my face because I feel Cool Tan is too light for me a bit. So I'm just going to keep testing until I probably get to Toffee, because I think I like Toffee on my skin, but let's see how Fawn looks. And I'm using Mahogany to contour my face, make it look more chiseled. You know, everybody's going for that chiseled look 2019. So now I'm just using some random red lipstick I've had for some time now. I'm putting that on my lower lid area and blending it out with this smudge brush. So you guys are going to see what I'm going to do, and after that I'm going to blend it all over again with the angled brush I used for my crease and whatever leftover product was on it, and I'm just going to blend my lower line. So just keep watching. It's ridiculous. I'm just going to be dusting off the excess powder on my face with my Zarin powder I got from Nigeria. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tea, so done with wishing you were still here. You guys are going to see me use like a random pencil, lip pencil I've had. It's kind of like maroonish. Line my lips and use the uncensored lip paint by Fenty Beauty on my lips. So keep watching. So here I'm just going to show you guys a different lip color you could use if you feel like red is a bit much. So I'm just going to be lining my lip with the same lip pencil again. I'm putting a nude lipstick and some lip gloss. It's really easy. So yeah, just keep watching.
Yeah. Go bum bum bum. Talk to me. Oh. I see you. Come over here, let me talk to you for a